Hi guys. So I just got home. Well, I didn't just get home, but I went over my best friend's house, Blowout 297, and we made some things, and we went to Michael's. She did a haul video. I don't think it's up yet, but when it is, go check it out. I'm in it, and she's in it. It's a whole video from Michael's, and so. Well, this is the only thing I got from Michael's. It's pretty useless. I just thought it was really cute. Don't mind me and my weirdness. I like squishy pigs. Okay, so we made squishies out of foam. So I'll show you one of them. It's not completely dry yet. And then it has like silicone on top, and it's squishy. I'm not going to squish the front part of it because it's wet, but it is squishy, as you can see. It has an eye pin. It has some cane slices. So that's the cake roll. I just got paint all over me. Okay, so next I'll show you the donut. This one's kind of dry. Wow. So yeah, it's like silicone. Feels really nice. Squishy. And it has an eye pin on the top. Can't see it though. It's kind of like camera's really crappy. But so yeah, I really like this. It's nice and squishy. Next I have this cake slice. This is silicone. This is paint, the pink and the chocolate. And it's squishy. I'm not gonna squish it because it's still wet. But I keep getting paint all over me. So it's squishy. And then I did my first deco ever, which I guess came out pretty decent. So I gotta move this fast because I gotta go shut my laptop off. I gotta go to sleep. It's pretty late where I am, but okay, so it's kind of like this Hello Kitty theme, sweets, random, really random things. I really like it. It's my first thing, and it's a mirror. It was a Sephora mirror. And she also gave me, Blowout 297, gave me this squishy cell phone strap. Yeah. So that's pretty much it. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Yeah, if you want to trade with me, just PM me, buy anything. PM me or comment something, contact me. So thank you for watching. Bye.